Whenever I go to a Middle Eastern bakery and I order that lamb pizza, I just love it. So here's my cheats version of it. I'm actually going to be using roti because I love the fluffy flakiness of it as it cooks. These are frozen, which makes it really easy and pliable. And what I do is just take the plastic off, but keep it on one side. I'm going to add a small amount of cheese just on the base of the roti. And you can use any sausage you like. You can use lamb sausage, chicken sausage, pork sausage with a bit of fennel through it. And you want to remove the casings of the sausage. You can see how sticky this is. That's what we're after, because essentially we're wanting that meat to stick to the dough. So I'm just going to add a little bit more, pressing it so it's quite even, and just leaving a little bit of that border so it really does look like a pizza. And I'm okay with some of that cheese poking out because that's going to melt and become really oozy and gooey. Yum-o. All right, now this goes straight into a pan. You want the pan to be on a medium heat. So I'm going to start on the sausage side, so we'll place that down. Press down on it just to even it out, and I'll cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes on that side, or until that sausage is crisp and cooked. And then all we need to do is flip it and cook it until this lovely roti is flaky and golden. How good does this look? You can see how puffy and flaky it is on the outside, crispy caramelized sausage, and then that mozzarella is just oozing out in the center. This is such a great cheats pizza. I'll place it onto the plate, delicious as is. But if you want to take it to the next level, just grab your favorite chili condiment. You can use a Sicilian style one, even just some capsicum, or make your own at home. This is a chili oil. We're going to drizzle that over the top just to give it a little bit of spice, a bit of kick. And to freshen it up, some parsley. And just grab your parsley leaves and just tear it, don't chop it, tear it over the top. Could also use some coriander or some mint. And there you have it. That is my sausage roti with gooey mozzarella. So good.